In most datasets, we typically have more row entries than can fit on one screen. As you can see, if I navigate to the bottom of my dataset, we can no longer see the column headings at the top of the page. It would be nice if we could keep the column headings on the page at all times. And to do this, we'll need to use a command called freeze panes. Where the pane freezes is determined by the currently selected cell. Any row above the selected cell and any column to the left of the selected cell will be frozen. I would like to freeze the top row and the first column. So to do this, I'll select cell B2 and then I'll use the shortcut Alt-W-F-F. After freezing panes, you can see black lines appear on the spreadsheet that show you where the panes are now in place. Now let's see what happens when we scroll down the page. As we move down the dataset, the subject headings stay in place, exactly what we want, and making our dataset much easier to read. If I scroll across the page, the order number column also stays in place.